SoundLink Color 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Biziwick's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Biziwick. This week on Tech Tuesdays we have the SoundLink Color 2. This is a wireless Bluetooth speaker which costs you around $129.95 US dollars. But currently there's a promo, I don't know if it's a promotion, that you can get it for $99.95 for only the coral red color. This is an unboxing video. I'm going to do the unboxing and the setup for this wireless Bluetooth speaker. So stay tuned for the unboxing. Without further ado, let's unbox this Bluetooth speaker. Shh. That's what I call the real unboxing experience. So the box reminds me of the iPhone. It reminds me of the iPhone box with the product on the front. The sides have the logos, the product logos. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if this box doesn't remind you more of the iPhone boxes. Usually for all the Apple products, you'll find they'll put the product picture on the front and their logo on the side. The box looks very premium. It looks expensive. It is expensive. $129 is quite a lot for us, for me at least. So this is what you find in the box. When you open you're greeted with the wireless speaker itself, but for the reason of this video, we're just gonna deal with everything else that comes inside the box and then we'll deal with that. So let's look at what comes inside this box. So when you open it, there's a small compartment at the bottom where you will find the USB charging cable. It's a micro USB, not a USB Type-C. This speaker is quite an old speaker. It was designed quite a few years ago, so you won't expect to find USB Type-C. It also comes with a user manual, which I always say, if you've been following my videos, this is becoming less and less important or less and less necessary because you get to know these things from the YouTube videos that we share as tech reviewers. I'm happy to call myself a tech reviewer. Anyways, there's quite some paperwork inside the box that you can read if you like, or you can just come here and I'll tell you. The elephant in the room, or the speaker in the room, the BOSE SOUNDLINK Color 2. So I went for the white version because they didn't have the black version where I got this, which is the Solution Center, where they sell Apple products and they also sell BOSE products, and they have similar boxes. Let me know in the comments if you know anything, any connection between BOSE and iPhone or BOSE and Apple, because I see a number of similarities. So anyways, maybe that's just me, but these products are quite premium, and Apple products are quite premium and expensive as well. It has bold portable sound, which I'm going to test. I haven't used it. IPX4, which means that it's resistant to water splashes. I'm going to repeat, splashes. Don't dip it in water. You don't want to go that route. It has soft touch silicone exterior, which makes it, water resistant, as I've said. So you can take it out to a shower. You can take it out swimming on the side of the pool. It has a 3.5mm audio port and a micro USB charging port, which is micro USB like I said before. At the bottom it has firm grip. It weighs in about 0.54 kilos. It has a very good grip. When you put it on the floor, when you put it on the table, it has a very firm grip. It has some rubbers at the bottom. That's the volume up button. That's the play pause button. If you press it once, you play pause. If you press it twice, you go to the next track. If you press it 3 times, you go to the previous track. That is the volume down button, and that is the audio button, which so many people, they have been asking me what that button does. That's the Bluetooth button, and that is the power off or power on button. That is the LED light indicator for your batteries. Amber if your battery is medium, red if your battery is empty, and green when your battery is full. So it feels really good when you're holding this speaker. It feels quite premium. It is a premium product. You can tell from the sound, you can tell from the feel in your hands. It is quite premium. So for us to test this product, I'm just going to put it on charger. You just put in your very cheap looking and cheap feeling USB cable and charge it up. This speaker is going to work with the BOSE Connect app. That is the BOSE Connect app on my iPhone. You can get it on your iPhone and Android phone. It's also available on the Play Store, so it's not limited to Apple products only. You can go into party mode through that Connect app. I just want to point out at this point that setting up this Bluetooth speaker is just simple as any other speaker. You can just connect it to your Bluetooth and play, or you can go the extra mile and download the Connect app and have more features like party mode and customizable. So many things are customizable. And so let me know in the comments if you'd want me to review this. This was just an unboxing and showing you how to set it up and downloading the app. So let me know if you want me to do the review video and let you know how this speaker sounds against JBL's Charge 3, which I believe is in the same price range as this speaker. So let me know if you want me to do a comparison, and also if you want me to do just a review showing you the performance of this speaker, what I think about the battery life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, and remember to stay logged in to Tech Tuesdays and to press that subscribe button so that you don't miss videos going forward. Thank you guys, love you so much. See you on the next one. Bye bye.